Hi there, my name is Caitlin, and I'm really excited to take you through some of our updated settings for notifications. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Do Not Disturb for client and staff notifications. Do Not Disturb allows you to select a time period for your outgoing notifications and automated marketing messages to be paused. The communications will be placed in a queue and will send after the Do Not Disturb period has ended. So I'm starting off in Setup, and to access Do Not Disturb, expand the Notifications menu, and then select Do Not Disturb. On this page, you have 3 different toggles that you can turn on or off depending on which notifications you want to set up Do Not Disturb for. The really nice thing with this is that you can set different Do Not Disturb periods for automated marketing, client notifications, and staff notifications. You have complete flexibility here. Let's set up a couple different ones for automated marketing and client notifications. I'll set this one from maybe 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. And we'll set the one for client notifications from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. There we go. Once I'm done with that, I'll make sure I click save. So there we go. My changes are saved successfully. So if a notification was scheduled to send during one of our Do Not Disturb periods, you would see it listed with a status of pending in the contact history on the client profile and on the email campaign report. The final thing I want to show you is just a small change to the automated marketing page. So I'll go to my app drawer and then into marketing. So since the ability to set up Do Not Disturb for automated marketing has been moved to setup, the previous area here in the top right-hand corner where you could set up that Do Not Disturb period within automated marketing has been replaced with a hyperlink. If you click on that link, you'll be taken right back to the new Do Not Disturb page in setup. That covers setting up Do Not Disturb for your notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.